Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Salt Morningstar recipe. First, you'll need to find a hidden key in the sandbox area. This key unlocks a special chest containing the recipe. Once you have the recipe, we'll go over the necessary materials and where to find them. Finally, I'll guide you through the crafting process and highlight the weapon's combat advantages. To begin, you'll need a black ant shovel. Head to the sandbox and locate the large yellow shovel sticking out of the ground. Around 3:30 p.m. in-game, the shovel's shadow will point to a buried spot where you can dig up the melted moat key. With the key in hand, proceed to the sandcastle's moat and open the submerged chest to claim your water-logged recipe. Crafting the Salt Morningstar requires specific ingredients. You'll need 2 salt globs, which are made by processing 8 salt shards each in an oven. Next, find 5 gem nuggets from gum deposits scattered around the yard. Finally, you'll need 10 tough gunk, which are dropped by defeating sickly roly-polies. Gather all these components before heading to your crafting station. Once you have all the materials, simply use any workbench to craft your new Salt Morningstar. This powerful Tier 3 weapon is one-handed, allowing you to use a shield for added defense. It boasts good damage and excellent stun, making it highly effective at staggering enemies. Plus, its inherent salt damage is perfect for foes weak to that element, giving you a significant combat advantage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.